Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of 2 days newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve this evening. Yes. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. This afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles, so yeah, it's too much. So let me start with the first one. The first one is the 3 Stars Sudoku number 8337. 8337, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. Well, the publisher has published this one with 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 28, that means 3 printed digits more than usual. This should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. We see here 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. All right. 5 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number, 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. All right. Alright, then, let me see, how about, one here, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Need a 4 here, need a 2, need a 3. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in the last row, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2, 2. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So that a pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. All right. So we have 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 6 should be there. 1 box left now. No, here we have 2 and a 3. That means we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. and this box should be a 4. Now one box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. This missing. All right. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, and look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright, 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between them in the row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there, 4, 4, okay, need a 4 here. This should be the 4, okay. Yeah. This row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We see another 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 and a 2, we have a 2. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. Okay, need a 2 there. Need a 8 there. Okay. Alright. 2 and 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And 1, 2, 8. Well, here, this box cannot be a 2 and 8 in this column. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Okay, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the second column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So in the third column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Do we have all the 8s? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. 6, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 1 box left in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. From that row, the only 2 places left to choose should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left to choose should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 2. All right. Here, 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7 are missing here. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then, let me see. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. All right. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishes 11 minutes. Well, cannot say it's a 3 stars, cannot say it's a 2 stars, cannot say it's a 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye.